Net commissioned earned, and take a look at the date. This is $21. Running balance commission earned, payment plus clawback. This is $276. Pending commissions, pending clients payments. These are clients who will be paying me. And hey, what's up everyone, my name is Dennis, and what I'll be sharing with you on this video is how you can actually make money online, how you can make $500 as a beginner with no skills required, no technical skills required. All you just need to do is stick around up to the end of this video, and always make sure that you hit that subscription button below, and always remember to drop a comment, and always I would really appreciate if you will actually share this video to your friends. So let's actually just dive in and straight, and let me show you what's the best platform that you can really start to making money online as a beginner, and how you can really make $500 plus as a beginner in the online world. And for me, my recommendation and the best website, and this is where I actually got started to learn all about affiliate marketing. Remember, I always tell you that you need first to have a product that you can market. So the best affiliate program that I can recommend to you is Powerhouse Affiliate. We have a lot of affiliate programs outside there, but this is where you can get started, and stick around up to the end as I take you through everything, so that you may not miss even one single step, because one single step will kick you out of the game. So stick around up to the end, as I'll also be giving you an amazing bonus on what exactly I am doing to make money online. So let's take a look at Powerhouse. Powerhouse limited time offer exclusive deal for new members. So right now they have an exclusive deal for new members. And hey, for your information, right now I'm not a partner with Powerhouse. I'm just sharing this video recommending it because I believe the program and services that they give out and the educational purposes, it will be really a good program to help you build a sustainable business online and make up to $500 plus if you put in the effort and you do what you're required to do. So build a profitable CPA marketing business. I'll be explaining to you what is CPA, so stick around up to the end. First, with consistent daily revenue, want to own a highly revenue, high traffic web property that earns revenue like this. Let's show you how. So you can see the last 7 days they have been able to do a payout of $17,157,000. And this is how it works. Learn how to get unstoppable website traffic. Let me tell you something. Right now, people are paying thousands and thousands, millions. Companies are paying millions to just drive traffic into their websites, to drive traffic into their platform. So if you learn and understand the technique of driving traffic, driving people to what they're looking for, you'll be making a kill online. Earn commissions as an affiliate using our professional 5-step training, and this is why I really recommend Powerhouse. Professional 5-step training program to fast track your success. So if you're a beginner and you want to make $500 plus and you want to make money online as a beginner, what you want to do is you want to look for a program that will really help you understand what you will be really doing online, other than just going out there and gambling and trying to figure it out yourself. And also at the end of the video, I'll be sharing with you the exact thing that you're doing, and you can feel free to partner with us. And always remember to check the first link in the comments below, whereby I'm giving my #1 recommended way to make money online. Click on that link and it will be sending you to a short video that will be explaining to you how you can kickstart, grow a hyper profitable business and work from home. So get exclusive access to our private group and learn from your industry experts on how to create your own long-term sellable online assets. Get these awesome benefits when you join the Powerhouse Affiliate Member Club, multi-course training platform. You get a live case study reveal, you get member webinars. That's why I really prefer Powerhouse member webinar that gives you the goods. You get private support groups, you get landing page library, you get member area, member only area, you get your own member. So here's the good thing also, because if you're a beginner also, maybe you don't have enough capital to invest and launch in your business online. But let me tell you something, the moment you start investing in your business online, you start getting more results faster. So start earning daily revenue like a master CPA affiliate will deliver exactly what you need to see how super affiliates are making money online daily. The best thing about Powerhouse is you can actually start with $0, and this is a free starter package. And also, if you want to become a professional and a pro, you can pay for the premium membership, which is $19 for 30 days, and this is a very limited offer. And take a look at what even you're given as a free member: affiliate marketing certification course, access to parts of the forum, affiliate program, support help desk, private Facebook group. You'll not be getting all these, all past and future webinars, affiliate program manager, weekly payments, access to private CPA network, all past and future case studies and paid traffic, including Facebook, Google, native push, and more. Full forum access, private messaging and guarantee response, landing page library, 100% full access to the step-by-step training program and courses. So that's one platform that you can start making money online as an affiliate marketer, and this is how you can make over $500 plus. You can see some of the testimonials of people who are being paid using Powerhouse. So this is really worth it. This is something that I would really recommend you if you're a beginner and if you're beginning to start to make money online. So stick around up to the end, because I'm giving you another way that you can start making money online as a beginner. And here's the thing, you guys, the dream giver. I've always spoken about the dream giver, and this is actually what I'm promoting for me personally right now, because I really believe that the dream giver is one of the best, easiest and fastest way that you can start grow a hyper profitable business online. Because here's the thing, we partner with you, we hold your hand, we show you exact things that you are doing, we give you different resources, and we show you how you can really position your business on social media. So what is the dream giver? And the beauty of the dream giver is in one of the best niches, and I want you to understand this, that travel is over 1 trillion industry, and everybody in the world loves traveling. Go outside there and ask anybody, you'll hear one person, each and every person, they have a dream destination that they will want to travel to and they will want to visit. So this makes it very easy for you to market these products, and it makes you very easy to start making money online. So how does it work? This is $100 worth of voucher. This is $100 travel card that is worth of $100 that you can use it to a 550,000 hotels globally. Okay, so how are you able to use it? The dream giver card, what you're able to use this dream giver card is you're able to give it out to your prospects. All right, prospects are the people who are interested in buying what you have, and after you've given out the $100 for free, totally free, 100%, what happens is the moment they go and use this card, you're able to earn a marketing bonus of $50. If they use $50, you'll get a marketing bonus of $25. When they save $100, you'll get a $50 marketing bonus, and that's how you're able to make up to $500 per day. You can imagine how many cards do you need to give out for free for people to go and use to travel or during their vacations and to help people travel more. You only need to give out 10 cards, and that's how you're able to make your $500. So this is a win-win situation whereby you give out $100 totally free. After the $100 has been used, you get paid $50, and the other money also, it goes into helping a child. So I've talked about Powerhouse and I've talked about the dream giver. So that's the end of my video, guys. I really appreciate you. If you're watching this video and you really want to make residual income, you really want to grow in the online world, and you want to launch a very highly profitable business, what I want you to do right now is check the first link in the description below that talks about my hashtag one recommended way to make money online. Click on that link and I'll be seeing you on the inside. Be blessed. Let's meet on my next video tomorrow as I share with you more value and more content. Be blessed.